Let's do another challenge. This time it deals with two simultaneous equations. Now I'm going to ask you to try to solve those equations mentally in less than 10 seconds. Find the value for x. So what's the value for x? Were you able to do this calculation mentally? Well, as I mentioned, don't be discouraged. Why? Because at the end of the course, you'll be able to smile because you've learned the powerful techniques for doing fast mental calculations. Now, the answer to that, I'm going to reveal it. X is equal to 1. You will learn the secret cyclic method or rainbow method for solving simultaneous equations. So come exam time, you'll be able to do it with a breeze because you'll be confident that you can do these calculations quickly and accurately mentally. Now let's go to another challenge. This time I'm going to ask you to multiply two 5-digit numbers. Yes, two 5-digit numbers in, guess what, 10 seconds. Yes, 10 seconds. Let me reveal a challenge for you. Multiply that in 10 seconds. Now, were you able to do that? No, that's tough for you, isn't that so? But do you think you can be able to learn how to do this mentally, quickly, and accurately? You can. Asian students have learned these powerful techniques to crunch numbers. They do not have a superior brain to you. They are using a superior strategy. Now you'll be learning those strategies for crunching the numbers quickly and accurately so you too can excel at mathematics. You'll overcome your natural fear of mathematics dealing with abstract numbers. But once you learn the properties of numbers, how they relate to each other, problems like that would be very easy to do. Let me reveal the answer to that. The answer is this huge number. So don't be discouraged. At the end of this course, at the end of 30 days, you'll be able to do calculations like what you see on your screen, and you'll amaze your classmates and stun your teachers. Yes, you too can do fast mental calculations because you learn the powerful techniques, the secrets